beginners. These tools are like having a team of robots working for you 24/7, and many are free to start. We're talking about automating tasks, generating content, and building online income streams with a click. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple ways to use free AI tools to start earning online today. We're diving into AI-powered side hustles, so buckle up and get ready to take some notes. Let's get started. First up, selling digital products like ebooks. Writing an ebook sounds like a lot of work, right? Not with AI. Use ChatGPT, a powerful AI chatbot, to generate human-quality text in seconds. Think of a simple, helpful topic like 10 ways to save money fast. Tell ChatGPT to write a short practical ebook on your chosen topic. Boom, you've got your ebook content. Copy that content into Canva, a free design tool with pre-made ebook templates. Make it look professional and easy to read. Sell your ebook on platforms like Gumroad or Payhip. Price it between $7 to $15 and watch the sales roll in. Create multiple ebooks on different topics to build a library of digital products. Every sale is passive income, meaning you earn money while you sleep. Not bad, right? Second on our list is freelancing with the help of AI. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are full of clients looking for writers, editors, and content creators. Businesses need blog posts, website copy, product descriptions, and social media captions. Use ChatGPT to generate high-quality drafts in minutes. For example, tell ChatGPT, write a comprehensive blog post about the benefits of yoga. It'll produce a well-structured, informative article that you can tweak and polish. Create gigs on Fiverr or Upwork offering services like blog writing or social media content creation. Highlight your fast turnaround time and competitive pricing. Under-promise and over-deliver to impress clients and get positive reviews. Soon, you'll have a thriving freelancing business all thanks to AI. Easy, right? Finally, let's talk about YouTube automation, the ultimate side hustle for introverts. You can build a successful YouTube channel without showing your face or using your own voice. Many faceless channels cover topics like finance, history, true crime, or interesting facts. They use AI to automate script writing, voiceovers, and video editing. Choose a niche you're passionate about or willing to learn. Use ChatGPT to write a YouTube video script about your chosen topic. Platforms like 11 Labs offer realistic AI voiceovers. Paste your script, choose your voice, and download the audio file. Use free stock footage from websites like Pexels and Pixabay, or use AI-powered video creation tools like Pictory. Upload your video to YouTube, optimize the title and description, and watch the views roll in. Once created, videos can generate passive income for months or years. Sounds great, right? So there you have it, 3 powerful ways to leverage AI to earn $100 a day online. Combine these methods for even greater earning potential. Use one method to create digital products, another to promote them, and a faceless YouTube channel to drive traffic. AI is the biggest opportunity right now, like having virtual assistants working for you 24/7. Start experimenting with these AI tools and see what you can achieve. Hit that button and drop a comment if you want more details on any method.